But look at him.
That's AI, man.
What?
Conspiracy theories
Nah, I'm saying, look at this guy's flips. Man, he's talented.
And I said, that's AI, man. I seen it on the Instagram reels. Artificial intelligence. That ain't real. They're trying to trick us, man. Trying to get in our heads, man.
Z, you been smoking that stuff again?
He's right.
Jesus.
That ain't real.
That's AI generated.
Artificial intelligence.
It's bad.
It's rotting our brains.
100% AI!
Yeah!